What do you call a sad cup of coffee? A depresso. Hello guys, how's it going? Are you a coffee person or a tea person? Whichever you are, this video will be interesting for you because today we're gonna go around the world and sip each region's coffee. Good? Then let's go. There are 20 coffee types that we're gonna talk about. When exploring different coffees from around the world, there are countless varieties, each with unique flavors and characteristics influenced by their region of origin. Here's a list of notable coffees from various countries. We're also going to go over some unique coffees and their methods and some lesser known ones. Stay tuned! First of all, I'm going to cover 8 general health benefits of coffee. Number 1. Antioxidants. Coffee is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Number 2. Cognitive function. The caffeine in coffee can improve mental alertness and concentration, and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Number 3. Physical performance. Caffeine can increase adrenaline levels, improving physical performance and endurance. Number 4. Metabolism. Coffee can boost metabolic rate and aid in fat burning. Number 5. Nutrient intake. Coffee contains essential nutrients like vitamin B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, B5, pantothenic acid, manganese, and potassium. Number 6. Liver health. Regular coffee consumption has been linked to a lower risk of liver diseases, including liver cirrhosis and liver cancer. Number 7. Type 2 diabetes. Studies suggest that regular coffee drinkers have a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Number 8. Mood enhancement. Coffee can help fight depression and improve overall mood. Now, we have another 8 sections about coffees around the world. First, Africa. Number 1. Ethiopian Yurachef. Ethiopian Yurachef coffee is known for its floral, citrusy, and tea-like flavor. Grown in the Yurachef region of southern Ethiopia, it benefits from high altitude and fertile soil. In addition to its unique taste, this coffee is rich in antioxidants and chlorogenic acids, which can help reduce inflammation and improve cardiovascular health. Number 2. Kenyan AA. Kenyan AA coffee features a bright acidity with fruity, wine-like flavors. It is grown in Kenya, known for producing some of the highest quality coffee beans. This coffee is rich in polyphenols, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Second, Central and South America. Number 3. Colombian coffee. Colombian coffee is known for its balanced, mild, and nutty flavor profile. It is grown in various regions across Colombia. This coffee's balanced profile makes it easier on the stomach compared to more acidic coffees. Number 4. Costa Rican Terrazzo. Costa Rican Terrazzo coffee boasts a flavor profile characterized by bright acidity with notes of citrus and chocolate. It is cultivated in the Terrazzo region of Costa Rica. This coffee is rich in antioxidants and offers a refreshing and invigorating bright acidity. Number 5. Brazilian Santos. Brazilian Santos coffee offers a nutty flavor profile with low acidity and chocolatey undertones. It hails from the Sao Paulo region of Brazil. One of its key benefits is mild flavor, which is less likely to cause acidity and stomach discomfort compared to more acidic coffees. Third, Asia and Pacific. Number 6. Sumatran Mandheling. Sumatran Mandheling coffee is characterized by an earthy, full-bodied flavor with spicy notes. It originates from the Sumatra region of Indonesia. One of its notable benefits is its earthy and full-bodied profile, which may have an anti-inflammatory properties attributed to its unique processing methods. Number 7. Jamaican Blue Mountain. Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee is celebrated for its mild, smooth, and well-balanced flavor profile. Cultivated in the Blue Mountains of Jamaica, it stands out for its exceptional taste. One of its notable benefits is its lower caffeine content, which means it's less likely to cause jitters compared to other coffees. Number 8. Hawaiian Kona. Hawaiian Kona coffee offers a smooth, light, and fruity flavor profile. It is cultivated in the Kona district of Hawaii. One of its key benefits is that it contains beneficial minerals from volcanic soil, which may contribute to overall health. 4th, specialty and unique coffees. Number 9. Panama Geisha. The taste is floral, jasmine, and tropical fruits-like from Bouquet, Panama. Number 10. Yemen Mocha. The taste is rich, winey, and chocolatey from Yemen. But before we get to the rest of the video, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. 5th, blends and popular varieties. Number 11, Italian Espresso. The taste is rich, robust, and intense from blends of various beans, often roasted dark in Italy. Number 12, Turkish coffee. The taste is strong, unfiltered, and often sweetened from Middle East, particularly in Turkey. 6th, unique processing methods. Number 13, Civets coffee, or Kopi Luwak. The taste is smooth, less acidic, and earthy from Indonesia. Beans are processed through the digestive system of civet cats. 7th, regional highlights. Number 14, Guatemalan Antigua. The taste is full-bodied, spicy, and smoky from Antigua, Guatemala. Number 15, Nicaraguan Marjajipe, or elephant bean. The taste is sweet, floral, and fruity from Nicaragua. Number 16, Rwandan coffee. The taste is bright acidity, fruity, and floral from various regions in Rwanda. 8th, diverse and lesser-known coffees. Number 17, Tanzanian peaberry. The taste is bright, acidic, fruity, and complex from Tanzania. Number 18, Mexican Chiapas. The taste is mild, nutty, and chocolatey from Chiapas, Mexico. Number 19, Ethiopian Harar. The taste is fruity, winey, and complex from Harar, Ethiopia. And number 20, Indian Monsoon Malabar. The taste is earthy, spicy, and mellow from Malabar Coast, India. We've uncovered the health benefits hiding within your favorite brews, from antioxidants in Colombian coffee to volcanic minerals in Hawaiian Kona. Whether you're sipping on a smooth Jamaican Blue Mountain or indulging in the bright acidity of Kenyan AA, remember, there's a world of flavor waiting in every cup. Let's raise our mugs to the wonderful world of coffee and in the adventure it brings to our taste buds. Cheers to the perfect brew. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. Until the next video, goodbye!